Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, device with the Android 14, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy contacts, how to export contacts, and how to import. To do it, you just need to open not the phone application. In this way, you can't import or export contacts. You need to open the Contacts application on your device. It's another app. Then click Fix and Manage, and here you will see Import or Export. So then, of course, here we have Restore Contacts. We can sync it, from the old Android devices. Here we can export to the file or import from the file. For example, we can import it to our Google account or to the device, to the file. And great, that's it. So in this way, we can copy our contacts, send it, and someone on the other device can import these contacts and save it in his device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.